In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide, bulk edit products in Shopify. If you've ever clicked through product pages one at a time just to change a price, an SKU, or your stock count, you know how slow that is. The bulk editor turns that chore into a quick, spreadsheet-style workflow so you can update dozens of items at once with confidence. Start by opening your products list in your Shopify admin. From here, check the boxes next to the items you want to change. You can pick a handful, or, if you're tackling a major update, select your entire catalog in one sweep. To make selection faster, use search and filters to narrow by vendor, collection, tag, or stock status. Then select everything that matches your criteria. This ensures you're only editing exactly what needs attention. With your item selected, click the Bulk Edit button. Shopify will open a clean grid where each row represents a product or a specific variant, and each column represents a setting you can change, such as price, compare, at price, available stock, or SKU. If a product has variants, you'll see each one listed on its own row, which makes it easy to handle sizes, colors, and other options without missing a detail. You're in control of what appears in the grid. Click columns to add or hide fields so you only see what matters for the task at hand. For example, if you're doing a big inventory refresh, hide prices for now and show available stock and SKU. Keep your view focused and uncluttered, and bring fields back anytime you need them. Editing works just like a spreadsheet. Click into a cell and type to update it. Use your arrow keys to move quickly across the grid. If you need the same value across multiple items, highlight those cells first and then type once to apply it everywhere in one go. You can copy and paste values between cells too, which is perfect for aligning SKUs or standardizing prices across similar variants. Take a moment to review your changes as you go so everything stays accurate. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right. Shopify will apply all your edits to the selected products and variants at once. Give it a moment to finish, and then spot check a couple of items to confirm everything looks right. That's it. Massive updates, minimal effort. With the Shopify bulk editor, you can keep your catalog clean and current in a fraction of the time, so you can focus on growing your store instead of wrestling with repetitive edits.